रिस्क तो स्पाइडरमैन को भी लेना पड़ता है, सो हुआ भी। सो वी ऑल शुड टेक रिस्क इन आवर लाइफ। गैजेट्स तो बदलते रहते हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी कीप्स पुशिंग इटसेल्फ, सो आपको बदलना रहना चाहिए, लेकिन गर्लफ्रेंड आप अगर वो बदलोगे तो अच्छा नहीं होगा। An apple a day keeps a doctor away, but if you have a BlackBerry, I'm telling you the doctor's going to be really cute. So I remember when she got married, I also cried. So बहुत मज़ा आएगा उनके साथ काम करने के लिए। I'm very happy in expressing myself to the people who I know and through BBM and other stuff. I'm a little shy to be on Twitter right now, but never say never. I'm not saying that I'm not going to ever do it. बहुत डिमांड आई है घर से ही। I've got some 8 phone demands from my family members. तो जो भी बचता है I'll try and hide them and give it to my co-stars. अगर आप अच्छी फिल्में बनाओगे, अगर आप अच्छी engaging stories लिखोगे, तो आप कहीं भी पहुंच सकते हो। मैं गा तो नहीं सकता, तो मैं किशोर कुमार की आवाज़ एक्सक्यूज मी यूडल तो होता नहीं है, मुझे खांसी आती है।
Brand Ambassador Ranbir Kapoor unveils the new BlackBerry Z10 model at an event held at a 5-star hotel in Mumbai. Take a look.
First of all, my association actually starts today, but I've been using the phone since the last 5 or 6 years now, and I've really been lucky. I've been lucky that that BlackBerry has signed me on as the brand ambassador, because I truly believe that more than I can add to them, it's them who can add to me and my brand value. It really fits well with my ideologies, with the way I think. It's definitely a product that I use, and it's a quality product. It's something which is constantly trying new innovative things. It's redefining itself, reinventing itself, and I truly believe that aspect is really important for any brand. If it's an actor or a company, if you can reinvent yourself, if you can evolve yourself continuously, you'll keep exciting the audience, the consumers, and I really follow that philosophy.
The Z10 is of course competing against iPhones and other high-end phones. What about the mid-variants?
So if I can just add to that you heard that saying, an apple a day keeps a doctor away, but if you have a BlackBerry, I'm telling you the doctor's going to be really cute. So
has this phone tempted you to perhaps giving in and say joining Twitter?
No, I think the BlackBerry is way beyond any social networking site. That's just another medium of communicating and expressing yourself. I'm very happy in expressing myself to the people who I know and through BBM and other stuff. It's not that I look down upon Twitter or anything like that. It's just that I'm a little shy to be on Twitter right now. But never say never. I'm not saying that I'm not going to ever do it. But as of right now, I'm quite happy with my Z10.
Which person you want a BBM video chat with?
My mom, because when they gave me a phone, I made it. I made it a point that they gave her a phone also. So yeah, she keeps checking on. I've been shooting in Chandigarh in the last 30 days. So it's the best way to keep in touch. Depends how many phones they gift me today. बहुत डिमांड आई है घर से ही। I've got some 8 phone demands from my family members. तो जो भी बचता है I'll try and hide them and give it to my co-stars. Gadgets तो बदलते रहते हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी keeps pushing itself, so आपको बदलना रहना चाहिए, लेकिन गर्लफ्रेंड आप अगर वो बदलोगे तो अच्छा नहीं होगा। Stick to 1%.
एक कपूर ऐप है, अगर आप किसी एक्टर और एक एक्ट्रेस आप अपनी इंडस्ट्री से चाहेंगे कि उनका भी ऐप हो तो वो कौन होगी? किसे आप?
Some actors, only one. I would say Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. Sorry? Actress, I would say Waheeda Rehman ji. About myself, I don't know. I guess if I figure it out, then I'll stop doing it. So I think more than me, the people I work with, I think they're more instrumental in reinventing, redesigning me. It's the kind of films that I get offered, it's the kind of characters that I get offered, the kind of directors I get to work with, co-stars I get to work with. I think they're all instrumental in an actor's growth. So yeah, I mean, you just have to be intelligent, you just have to be welcoming to something new. Like I said, a dialogue in my film, that risk to Spider-Man को भी लेना पड़ता है, so हुआ भी. So we all should take risks in our life, and I think that truly makes you reinvent and redefine yourself. It's coming out on 31st of May, really excited. It's my second film with my best friend Ayan. It's Deepika and my second film after Bachna and Sina. It's really, we're trying to make a love story of the generation and make a really nice, fun, entertaining love story. So I hope that people give it a chance and come to the theatres to see it.
रणबीर, चाहे ब्लैकबेरी हो या फिर ब्लैक लेडी यानी कि फिल्म फेयर, हर जगह आपका नाम है, लेकिन जब बात ऑस्कर की आती है तो कहीं ना कहीं हमारी हिंदुस्तानी फिल्म है वो पीछे क्यों रह जाती है? अगर एक रीज़न पूछें।
ये एक्चुअली इसका कोई रीज़न नहीं है। अगर आप अच्छी फिल्में बनाओगे, अगर आप अच्छी इंगेजिंग स्टोरीज़ लिखोगे, तो आप कहीं भी पहुंच सकते हो। अगर आप मेरी फिल्म की बात करें बर्फ़ी, अगर वो वहाँ पहुँची नहीं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो अच्छी फिल्म नहीं थी। क्या होता है कि पूरे दुनिया के जो फिल्म्स आते हैं फॉरेन लैंग्वेजेस के, वहाँ से कुछ 5 फिल्में चूज़ होते हैं. So I guess we were not good enough. बट कोशिश जारी रहेगी, मेरी नहीं पूरी इंडस्ट्री की, कि कभी ना कभी, जैसे लगान वाज नॉमिनेटेड, मदर इंडिया वाज नॉमिनेटेड, एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि वन डे all 5 foreign film nominations will be from India and we'll keep winning awards. He's made such truly great films, and you know, answering your question, Ang Lee always made films which are close to his culture. If you see Crouching Tiger, it's not that you know, from China he made a film to cater to the Western audience. So yeah, if you see Brokeback Mountain, Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon, Life of Pi, he's constantly you know, tried new storytelling ways, new stories, new characters. So very you know, very happy that he's won the award. I'm also really happy that you know, Daniel Day-Lewis won for Lincoln, Jennifer Lawrence won for Silver Linings Playbook. Mr. Anupam Kher was phenomenal in that film also. So yeah, I think they were good winners. ये मैंने भी सुना है, but ऐसा कुछ confirm हुआ नहीं है. I'm really looking forward if I can work with Madhuri ji. I've been a big fan of hers, big admirer. I remember when she got married, I also cried. So बहुत मज़ा आएगा उनके साथ काम करने के लिए. But I don't know if they've confirmed it yet.
But the stars like Salman Khan and everyone in the film that you won it twice. So what do you have to say about it? Like, you know, they are like your team.
No, absolutely. I mean, they are my betters, you know, and to be nominated amongst them, it's just it's really it's unbelievable. It's my 5th year in the film industry now, and to win an award and 2 years in a row, it's something that I never dreamt of. But then again, it's not something I work for. I work for my own personal satisfaction. The everyday work that I put in on a film set, I think that matters most to me. But yeah, the award is just a good reciprocation of the love that you put in your work. It's a pat on your back here. Well done, and you know, miles to go before you sleep.
Do we get to see you as Kishore Kumar?
Very soon now. We're working on that film.
And what is your prediction?
बहुत होगा, मैं गा तो नहीं सकता, तो मैं किशोर कुमार की आवाज़.
Will you yodel?
Excuse me. नहीं, yodel तो होता नहीं है, उसे सिर्फ खांसी आती है. But yeah, we'll try and use his voice as much as we can. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Bollywood Hungama News Network.